Hey folks, Robbie here. Did a small model deal with my one buddy. This is mainly, well, technically all Ford parts. There's two Broncos, two Ford F-250s or 350s, bunch of interior parts and rear ends, axle parts, stuff like that for them. And then in the box, we got grills, bumpers, hoods. Check out this custom grill. And roll bars. And then we got motor parts. We got parts in here from the Bigfoot. So folks, we just got a variety of Ford parts. I got some ideas kicking in my head for some wild rides that I want to do. This one's gonna be a mixer matcher, as you can tell. It's got purple tailgates, so I'm looking forward to doing this. It's gonna have probably different front and rear wheels on it. I gotta put some wheels on this, but they did a pretty good job with it and stuff. This I'll probably make into a dirt tracker. I just got the body for it. But anyway, you can kind of see what's on there. This is Robbie though saying thanks for checking it out.